Hi, I'm Kinga from myhobbiescrochet.com. In this video I will show you how to make these cute pendants or charms for bags or even for keychains. For this project you will need embroidery floss, beads of your choice. I am using acrylic beads and some wooden beads. You will need metallic snap rings, sewing needle and some scissors. Now let's get started. Now take your embroidery floss and unravel just a little bit. So keep it this way. I will cut this piece. And in the middle I will make a knot. Make sure the two ends are the same. Make a double knot. Now take the longer end and insert it through the sewing needle. Now pick up the beads of your choice and feed them through the thread. Now take a metallic snap ring and insert the yarn around it several times. This way and go again through the beads. I will make another knot. Now you will cut through these ends. Make sure to go through all of them. Now trim the ends. Now with this piece of thread left, I will finish up the tassel by wrapping the piece around the top of the tassel. Wrap it several times. Then make a double knot. And this is how you make a pendant for bags or keychains. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos from me.